Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your StoryWorks Jr articles. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously click on that link and go onto the StoryWorks Jr website that I've provided for you in your Google Classroom. Then you're going to hit log in and you're going to click I am a student. Okay. Then you're going to type in your classroom code or your classroom password, and your classroom code is bikebird6588, and I did not make that password, it was just assigned to me, so I know it's a little weird, but then click sign in, wait for it to load. All right, then it will look like this on your page. You're going to go ahead and hit May, June 2020. And once you hit that, it will show you all of your stories down here below. And your story for today is called Silver Dollar Dreams. So you're going to click on that story. Then it will bring you to your story, okay? And your story will show up right here. Now, what I think is easier for you to read the story is to read it like you normally would see it in your magazine that we normally get in class. And in order for it to show up like that, you're going to go to the left side of your screen and hit this little purple book. Wait for it to load, and there you go. So then it looks like your magazine, and then you can hit your arrows to scroll through your magazine and read your story, okay? And you can also have it read aloud to you by hitting this microphone up here that says read aloud. You can even highlight important words that you might need. You can write little notes. There's a sticky note up here. You can zoom in so you can see it closer, or you can zoom out if you decide that it's too zoomed in. So it looks like that. It might be easier for you to read, or you can zoom out. And you can do all that fun stuff on here. Then you're going to go back onto the Google Classroom to do your questions. If you have any questions while you're reading this or you need some help, just let me know and we can set up a video together. All right, I hope you enjoyed this story and I hope you have a fun time reading it. See you later.